One cam. One cam shot.
I'm in Irish situation. I'm in Irish situation. I'm in Irish situation. I'm in Irish situation. You know, no feeling so nice. Feels like 360 degrees of it on my right. Jumping like slow motion, positive vibration. Moving to the melody, a ragamuffin version. Look into each, everyone is smiling like me. It's jiving to the music like a three bumblebee. And slowly, open our eyes and see big satellites focusing to you and me. You know, this is my homegrown song. 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 You know why my stuff are so good? I'm counting this not fast but slow, cause I want to be my homegrown to be a good stuff. Really a good stuff, a nice stuff off, like a sweet sensei jumper burning lollipop. I want everybody to be satisfied, like the legend Robert Nesta Marley, always alive. No stress, no pressure, no anger, no fear. This is my homegrown song about my herb. This is my homegrown song about my sensimilia. Yeah. This is my homegrown song about my Maria. Wanna. This is my home.